Okay, good day, everybody. Today we are looking at the blockchain lottery based on a referral mechanism. This tutorial will guide you through the development and the front end about a recursive lottery system that incorporates referrals mechanism using Solidity. This smart contract is designed building a referral rewards and allow users that purchase a lottery ticket while earning a referral by referring others. So let's see, for example, this is a user that already bought 25 tickets and the general ticket sold in this lottery is 33. The price of the ticket is 7 USDT, but it's possible to buy the ticket directly in Ethereum. Just let you know the mechanism, because behind there is a link to Chainlink to feed the price. So always is calculated exactly $7. So for example, now I'm buying one ticket and it is $7 plus the estimated fee. So I confirm and I will buy, purchase in progress. Yeah, exactly. Purchase completed successfully, and now the ticket are 26. But this user can create its referral, specific referral, to give advantages to the other user and also to get advantages through the referral reward. So I give you an example. So let's see first if this account has already created its own referral. It's going to download the pages. Just a few seconds. Okay, not yet generated. So this user need to generate its referral, clicking on the button generate, then confirm the transaction, and is creating its referral, as you can see here. Copying the clipboard, then we change the account. For example, we go to another user, for example, the second user, like this, that already have its refer, but is another one. So let's go to the home. This user don't have yet the referral. So copy the new link there. And we will see that the new referral is captured. So now this link has the referral. So consider that he wants to buy one ticket with the referral. It's also possible to reset the referral if you want to change the referral or you don't want to use the referral. So buy the ticket with the referral. And then after that, we will see the transaction to see what's happening. So now he's spending the equivalent of $7 in Ethereum, because we are using the native token of the blockchain. So let's see what's happening in the transaction. And it doesn't work. So we have to do again. Something happens. Let's see what's happening. Again, let's do again. Let's start with another one. Buy ticket. Oh, sorry, is opening the MetaMask. And let's see what's happening there. I need to confirm $7. Okay. Now seems a little bit late than usual. Let's see in MetaMask what's happening to our transaction. So we can delete the second because it's just a replacement. Okay, it's confirmed. Let's see in Sepolia, Arbitrum, what's happening to this transaction. In the meantime, refresh again the page. Probably I have too many. Okay, now the ticket was 2, now are 3, as you can see here. But let's see the transactions. So again, so Arbitrum, Sepolia. Let's see the transaction again. Okay, as you can see, the total value of the transaction was 0.00277 Ethereum. That is more or less the equivalent of $7. And in the meantime, as we use the referral, part of this Ethereum was transferred from the contract to the referrer, and part the discount from the contract to the user. So it means that as configured in this moment in the smart contract, the user spent $7, $1 to the referrer, and $1 buyback, so the discount. So at the end, using the referral, in this case, the lottery, the user spent $5 on $7. It's also possible to reset the referral because eventually you can use the referral of another one. Then there is the possibility to see the statistic of the referral. Let's see about. Okay, you are the table there. was created a first referral here from this referrer. The number of ticket counted by the referrer was 21, and these are the referred address. In this case, there have been 3 transactions from these 3 different users. But there is also another referral from this second referrer that counted 10, means that 10 tickets has been purchased with this referral, and then this is the unique referral address that we had. Then the third one, you have another statistics. Then you can start, when you can start a new active lottery, for example, the second one, after the selection of the winner, the table will be clear, so you can see a new statistic for the new recursive lottery. So, just to give you some element about this lottery, let's see the remix to see what's happening in the contract. As we said, we have a referral system. Let's see in detail. The referral system. Then this will be the object of the next video, when we'll go in detail about the function of the lottery for the referral, and also the possibility of lottery management, the price and rewards, and the flexibility of the configuration. So for now, thank you.